Okay, take two. That is so much better. If you saw the first take, you will see that my screen was really dirty. So I went and grabbed my daughter's little, I don't know, this thing is really cute. She got it from Amazon. Um, it's like, it's a screen cleaner. And you just push it out. And it's wrapped. Let me take it out with my hand. And it's wrapped like in a little microfiber. And you just spray it like on all of your desktops or your phone. It's really cute. She keeps it in her tech bag, and I had to just spray, and then you turn it over and you just wipe it. So anywho, this is what I am doing. I filmed a video earlier for the membership, and I was showing them how I record in Ecamm. So if you see the little recording and all the little back end of Ecamm, and so it's being edited inside of CapCut. Once it's done, it is going right here inside of Kajabi. So this is the lesson: promote your products with mock-ups. Let me see if I can get in closer. And so if you scroll down, here's the description. Here are 2 Canva templates that I gave them, which is also right there. That's a picture of how it looks. And then all you'll do is just click on video, and then you'll select a file, which will be this one right here. And that's it. And then the video will display. But right now there's an image in the spot. So if you go to preview, this is the image that's there now. But it's going to be replaced with the video. So that's all.